Hi, my name is Patrick. This video should inform you about NMAT Phase 2. So we already have NMAT Phase 1 that finished in December. From October to December, you could write the NMAT examination. You finished with the NMAT Phase 1. But what happened is a lot of people, couldn't write the NMAT exam at that point of time. They missed the dates. They couldn't write the examination. So automatically NMAT has come up with Phase 2 where those who have missed the sessions earlier now can write the sessions. So it's just a 5 days slot. I mean, you can start registration from 5th to 10th January. You can schedule from 5th to 10th and you can write the exam to 11th to 15th. Which means technically the final NMAT cutoff should come after 15th January. Okay, because if the exam ends, so though they mention very clearly NMAS and KGSOMA will consider only the first exam attempt, the first exam attempt could be on the phase 2 itself. I mean, it is just a chance for those who have not attempted NMAT in the first case can attempt NMAT again. If you have already attempted NMAT earlier and you want to improve your score, again this is a chance where you can attempt and improve your score. Right? So you can try this off, give the examination if you feel that you want to improve your scores and work on that. And all the best for the examination.